Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can resize the view box in your documents or pages or canvases on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so start Inkscape, launch it on your desktop computer or laptop, and here in your document click into a file in the top left corner and navigate to the document properties. Alternatively, use the shortcut Shift-Control-D or Shift-Command-D if you're using a Mac computer. So here in the document properties, navigate to the display tab and at the bottom expand the view box settings. And here you may adjust, for example, or resize the Y and the X axes or the width and height, or click into that field and enter a number or value here. So as you can see, if I adjust the view box X axis or Y axis, you will see the view box moving accordingly. If you'd like to reset this one, enter the 0 value and here as well. And you may also do the same for the width and height. So now, as you can see, the view box is in the live preview is being resized. And that's how it works, guys. You don't need to click into any apply or save button. These changes will be applied automatically by Inkscape. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.